So this is the Amazon Medium program. Everything comes in Gaylords. These are we sell them by the pallet. They come in on 24 pallet truckloads. It's an unmanifested program. Most of the stuff we bring in is unmanifested, which means we don't have an inventory for it. That's the best bang for the buck, we feel like, because anytime somebody manifests a load, they're separating it by categories, charging a higher percentage. Where unmanifested loads, it's just a better bang for your buck money-wise. We've had a lot of success with unmanifested versus buying a manifested load. The Amazon Medium program, this is all going to be medium-sized items. You'll find game systems on here. You'll find electronics. You'll find pet supplies. You'll find cases of diapers. It's a good program for retail. You are going to find some online stuff here. You can't be scared to ship medium and larger size items, or it's not a program for you. This program, all Amazon programs are brown box program. What I mean by that is everything's going to be in a brown box. And a lot of times you can't even tell what's in the brown box. Amazon will ship something, it'll get returned undeliverable, they'll scan it back in, they only take it out of the box, and they'll put it in these medium programs. You could open this up, it could be a PlayStation 5, it could be a cushion for your chair. We looking at tower here, there's KitchenAid products. This is just one example. You're going to get like 19 to 35 items per Amazon Medium. You got KitchenAid, you got baby gates, you got fans. You got your mystery brown boxes right here, indoor bug zappers. You're going to find electronics. But Amazon is a brown box program. I've had customers open these up and find $600 game sets. I've had customers open up and find gaming computers, $4,000 gaming computers. So you never know with Amazon Medium. It's Amazon's most popular program. Retailers love Amazon Medium. We don't bring them in that often, but when we do, they're here. We cater to the customers that like them. That's the Amazon Medium program.